Father, how do we decide which crops to grow?
Son, there are different types of crops. Some of them live for a year only, while others live for many years. Plants like rice, wheat, tomatoes, sweet potato, and bell pepper usually germinate, flower, and die in 1 year or season. Such plants are called annual. On the other hand, some plants take 2 years to grow. These are called biennial plants. In the first year, they grow leaves, stems, and roots. In the second year, the plant produces the flower and fruit before it dies. Some of the examples of biennial plants are carrots, parsley, shards, and others. The third type of plants live for many years. They are called perennial plants. These plants generally have tubers, bulbs, and a woody structure. They grow fruits every year. For example, banana, apple, pine, ginger, apricots, and others. So crops are categorized based on how long they live. We can choose which of these we want to grow. Do you know that if we sow the same crop year after year, the land starts losing its fertility? That is, nutrients are lost from the soil.
Father, can we grow any crop in any season?
No. Most crops have certain seasons in which they grow best. There are two main seasons for growing and harvesting crops. They are the Rabi and the Kharif season.
How is the Rabi season different from Kharif season?
A Rabi crop is sown in autumn and harvested during the winter. During this time, we can grow wheat, barley, peas, mustard, etc. These crops do not require a huge amount of water.
And what crops are grown during the Kharif season?
Kharif crops, on the other hand, are the ones that are sown during the rainy season. These crops require huge amount of water to grow, like rice, millets, maize, etc.
So, this means we cannot grow wheat when it rains and rice when the weather is dry.
Good, son. You are learning fast. Do you know that not all crops are grown for providing food for the family? Some crops are grown so that they can be sold for a profit.
What are the crops produced for food and which ones are produced for profit?
The crops like tea, jute, soybean, and cotton are grown and then sold. Such crops which help the farmer earn money are called cash crops.
Father, do we get money only from cash crops?
No, we get money by selling other crops too. But cash crops are grown solely for sale, rather than for the farmer's own use. The crops which are grown for food are called food crops. The major food crops include rice, cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. These are produced for both farmers' own use and for sale.
Okay, so when we need money, we will grow the cash crops. And when we need food, we grow rice, vegetables, and similar crops.
Let us summarize what we've learned in this learning unit.